Welcome to the world of NightCrystal. Today we introduce the NC8000 Helmet-wear 3D display FHD night vision binoculars. This advanced device features adjustable pupil distance from 60 to 72 mm and independently adjustable binoculars, so you don't need glasses for near or far vision. Experience true stereoscopic views with our 3D display technology. It's built to last with excellent waterproof performance and high durability, and it operates in temperatures ranging from 20 to plus 50 degrees Celsius. The NC8000 offers 4x digital zoom to easily focus on distant objects and captures stunning 4K FHD video and photos, revealing details others can't see. With multiple imaging modes, you can adapt to any scenario. It's lightweight and versatile, offering 3 hands-free options: strap type, head-mounted, or professional helmet wear. The f1.0 Super Aperture delivers better lit visuals even in low light, and the built-in 7-level IR illuminates the darkest surroundings, perfect for low-light observation. See up to 600 meters in total darkness and never miss out on capturing the best shots again. Ideal for any scenario, day or night, including tactical operations, camping, hunting, navigation, night fishing, and searching. Elevate your night vision experience with the NightCrystal NC8000 and see beyond the ordinary. Now, let's see the NC8000 in action through customer field testing and reviews.
Let's take a look at the head-mounted night vision goggles NC8000, starting with daytime photography. The maximum photo size is 36 megapixels. While this is achieved through interpolation, the visual quality is at an HD level with a 10-degree viewing angle, 25mm focal length, and an aperture of 1.4. To test the magnification, we compared still frames from a smartphone and the night vision device. The results showed a magnification of approximately 6.6 times, confirming the manufacturer's claim of 4-fold magnification. The bokeh effect is quite artistic, producing beautiful photos with good depth of field. However, for night vision, this can be a drawback, as you need to adjust the sharpness frequently to focus on objects at short distances, up to 40 meters. Beyond this range, the effect diminishes. With the device's 4 times optical zoom, it performs well up to 40 meters. Regarding video quality, while it's set to 4K, the actual resolution is closer to full HD, 2048 x 1152 pixels. The video bitrate is 31 mbps at 30 fps, but the codec's frame compression affects quality. The head-mounted night vision binoculars NC8000 perform well at night, with visibility up to 250-300 meters as claimed. The device offers 4 color effects: color, black and white, moonlight green, and film negative, with the green tint enhancing visibility due to human eye sensitivity to green shades. Even in complete darkness, the night vision is effective. In terms of design, the night vision goggles NC8000 are convenient for nighttime use, with their recessed, small displays and soft eye cups that prevent light from revealing your position. The high frame rate of 30 FPS ensures clear images without blur. For example, unlike with a smartphone camera, objects like boat stations across a river at 400 meters are visible with the NightCrystal NC8000. The NightCrystal NC8000 night vision goggles also function as both a night vision device and binoculars. The night vision photography is on par with similar devices in its price range. The night vision device has good visibility, especially live through the eyepieces, with distant illumination reaching 250-300 meters. The night vision device has several color profiles, is comfortable and easy to use. One drawback, common among affordable NVGs, is the difficulty in simultaneously focusing on objects at varying distances when illuminated differently. Despite this, NightCrystal NC8000 offers solid performance and convenience, with features like a helmet or neck strap mount, a large display, 30 FPS video recording, and micro SD card storage. Anyway, NightCrystal NC8000 is an interesting and noteworthy night vision device, delivering good quality at an affordable price.